All right, Keith, well, let's get down to it. Let's talk the timing of this storm. When should we expect it to start? And I think you said yesterday this is going to be an all-day thing.
Yeah, I think it's going to be an all-day thing on Saturday. We'll step you through that. We'll get you through the first 24 hours because we're obligated to, but it's not very interesting. Overnight tonight it gets cloudy. Temperatures are much warmer than last night in the mid-20s along the coastline, teens into the mountains. Tomorrow is a cloudy, quiet day with some snow showers. A couple of snow squalls are possible as well, especially along the coastline in the afternoon. And then here comes our storm. Where is it? This is it. Well, I mean, that's not it, but it's the beginning of it down here with some showers and thunderstorms. It will move up the eastern seaboard, get a lot stronger here, and then get drawn into the northeast on Friday night and into Saturday. Believe it or not, there's still model differences. This is a real knockdown, drag-out war here. So either the European's going to be great or the GFS is going to be great, but it's not going to be both of them because they still disagree. So this is the European model, which gives us a good-looking storm here Saturday through Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, and then moves out early on Sunday. The GFS, more progressive, less snow, more coastal. We've leaned kind of in the middle here, a little bit maybe more towards the European model. So hour by hour forecast, 7 a.m., light snow for most of us, except for maybe down into York County where it gets a little bit heavier. But the meat of this comes in late morning through the middle of the day. And look at how cold it is. I actually pointed that out to our crews that are going to be in the field this weekend, that this is a cold snowstorm to stand in or to be dealing with. For it to be 9, 10, 4, 5 degrees while it's snowing heavily at times, and the heaviest bands will be along the coast, but watch a second band, a deformation zone band, could bank up towards Lewiston and all the way into the mountains potentially on Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Snowfall rates could reach 2 to 3 inches an hour if we get into one of those bands. It continues through Saturday night, and then it kind of weakens and moves out on Sunday. We should be clear for most of us by Sunday morning. So this is the same map we showed you yesterday. I think it's still fair. 12 to 18 down East Maine looking the best. 8 to 12 Portland to Sanford to Lewiston, Augusta. I would include them in 8 to 12 and then 4 to 8 into the mountains. Is there a possibility that if the European model is right that it's more than this? Definitely. But I just think we can't ignore that more progressive GFS solution because it's been doing it for 4 days straight. And that's a really interesting battle to be had there. So that's our snowfall map. Our wind gust map looks similar. The heaviest snow will correspond with the heaviest wind, and we could get up over 45 miles an hour over Bar Harbor, Rockland. Positive thing here, the snow will be light and fluffy, doesn't stick to trees, power lines as much, so that should reduce power outages. Sunday, clearing out by the afternoon, mostly sunny on Monday and Tuesday, quiet, warm up midweek to late week. Pretty good chance that we get rain Thursday and perhaps into Friday of next week, which will render some of this snow moot. But it's not moot when it's happening. So I would still plan on almost a whole day event on Saturday, and it's just going to determine, where the heaviest bands are when it sets up.
I am not jealous of the weather department right now trying to reconcile these two models that are so different and trying to tell people exactly how much snow they're going to get. This is hard.
And they usually do come together a little bit, towards the end here, and they're just not. So one's going to be right, one's going to be wrong. I don't see any way around that. So we'll see.
All right.
We'll
We'll be right back.